Well, great news for breakfast enthusiasts. Maple syrup season has arrived.
Yes, this morning we are looking at the trees that produce the sweet syrup. Garden guy Dale Kay joins us live from the Minnesota Landscape Arboretum with more. Hello, Dale. Good morning.
Good morning to you. Snow on the ground, no leaves on the trees, but that doesn't mean that spring isn't on its way. And one of the telltale signs is, of course, you mentioned it, maple syrup season. We are live at the Minnesota Landscape Arboretum. Joining us this morning, Peter Moe, who is not only everything Arboretum, he is also everything maple syrup. Good morning, Peter. Firstly, what type of trees make the best? Of course, many different types of maples. Which maples make the best syrup?
Good morning, Dale. And the best tree is sugar maple. And we're standing right in a sugar maple forest here at the Arboretum. Many people think all maple syrup comes from Canada or Vermont. Most of it comes from there, but sugar maples grow across the northern part of the United States, and the Minnesota is the far western edge. So we're fortunate to have several hundred acres of maple forest here at the Arboretum. We've been tapping trees here since the 1960s and making maple syrup.
So if you're from Florida or you're going to Florida, you know, that's just tough luck. There is no syruping happening down there. So if you're here, stuck here like us, of course, beautiful maple syrup. Now, you mentioned you've been doing this here at the Arboretum a long time. You've got quite the sophisticated method of tapping trees.
You know, we do. Sap is heavy, and carrying buckets up and down these steep hills will really tire you out. So the slopes work perfect for using a tubing system. So we tap the trees, use a plastic spile, connect it to this flexible tubing, make sure that it's all sloping downhill for gravity, and we have a tank at the bottom of the hill, and so we save a ton of labor, and whenever the sap is flowing, it just goes right down into our collection tank. It works perfect.
And I should mention that sap really hasn't started to flow just yet. Remember how cold it was over the weekend. But what are the temperature ranges, or when does sap begin to flow?
To flow a day like today, when it was 23 degrees this morning, going to get up into the 40s this afternoon. Sunny day is perfect conditions for sap flow, alternating freezing at night and above freezing during the day.
And all this sap is actually stored, you know, in the bark and in the roots of the trees, correct?
That's right, Dale. And we'll have a whole bunch of K-12 school kids out here in the coming weeks. And the kids learned last summer, when there were leaves on these trees, the leaves were making sugar. And that sugar is stored in the roots, and it's coming up in the spring, and we were able to harvest it. Okay,
so they do this type of tubing here at the Arboretum. That doesn't mean that you can't do some maple syrup tapping at home. It's quite simple and easy to do. Pete, what do you need to know to get started? Where on the tree?
Yeah, we're going to hang a sap collecting bucket here, and so a sap sack actually. So we want it fairly low so we can pick it up. So about maybe 3 feet off the ground.
And how far into the trunk?
2 inches into the trunk, and with a gentle slope. Perfect, Dale. Perfect.
Not only the garden guy, but the handy guy too.
That's right. And you use this wire.
My significant other, we're so excited, so proud.
You did great, Dale. Clean the sawdust out.
Okay.
And then we take a word that many people have probably never heard before. This is a spile. And so you put that in the hole and then gently tap it with a hammer.
Okay. Oh, that down.
Find our hole. And you just until the thick part is in the tree.
Thick part is in the tree. Yeah. And then just tap,
tap it. Yeah, gently tap. Perfect, right there. And then we have all these supplies available in the Arboretum gift store.
Excellent. So I should mention too, this coming Saturday they have their Maple Fest. Of course, bring the kids along. There is plenty of room still, I'm told. Maybe a little bit full in the morning. Still plenty of room on Saturday where you can bring the kids out. You can do exactly what we've done here, demo a little tapping, and then you can have a wonderful pancake breakfast as well. So tap is on, and then bag goes on next, right?
Yep. There's a hole in the bag, and it'll click right on that.
Hole in the bag?
Yep. Perfect. You're hired, Dale.
All right, she is good to go. Now there's a ratio, there's a kind of a rough ratio of actual liquid, which looks like basically like water, and then boiled down to syrup. What is that ratio?
The ratio is about 40 gallons of sap to make a gallon of syrup.
40 gallons of sap.
Yeah.
40 gallons of sap for
1 gallon of syrup.
1 gallon of syrup. So best thing to do is this spring, if you don't have any maple trees at home, go out to your favorite local garden shop. Maybe plant a couple of maples, and then what age of tree?
They have to be 10 inches diameter.
10 inches diameter. Now this is the actual maple syrup that they collect right here. You can get this again at the gift shop. They have this wonderful pancake mix as well that you can make your own pancakes. but I never travel on these types of segments without a pancake. Actually, I think I have two I could double stack. Here you go, two. And then Bob's your uncle. Actually,
Boy.
yeah, there's absolutely no need for a pancake. You can just drink it straight from the bottle, and I think that's best yet. Back to you.
Dale, how many pancakes do you have in your pocket? I have a lot of questions.
Oh, flip it over. You can make a little taco or something so it doesn't spill all over.
Yeah. Hang on.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
I feel like that thing in Alpha. What was that scene in Alpha?
Yeah, where you just
syrup.
dump syrup all over everything. Bravo, Dale. Always coming prepared, and that's why we love
You better share with Peter.
Oh,
Okay, never mind. Not out of that bottle, though.
okay, Dale.
Wow.
Thank you. Just we'll let him be. Having a good time. As Dale mentioned, the Maple Fest Pancake Breakfast is coming up this Saturday, March 19th.
He's going in for
at
more.
the
You can't
Minnesota
see him.
Landscape Arboretum. For more information and for tickets, you see their website right there on this screen, and we'll post this obviously later.
He just went for a
you're
fourth.
not kidding.
No, he's really
pounding
just
that
down it.
maple
He's not even
syrup.
on camera. He is just going hard.
Wow.
Good day. We'll be right back.